Good day, everyone. We're presenting on the topic malaria vaccine. Malaria is caused by a parasite, Plasmodium falciparum, and is transmitted through the bite of an infected Anopheles mosquito. It is a major public health problem in sub-Saharan Africa, mostly affecting children under 5 years. From the diagram, malaria follows a cycle where the mosquito injects parasites into the bloodstream and this then travel into the liver and multiply silently. This then enter the red blood cell, then destroy the red blood cell. Thereby, you're not having symptoms like fever and chills. Developing a vaccine took over years. But here's an interesting thing. A major breakthrough came when the WHO approved the first vaccine, the RCS vaccine, and later on, another vaccine, which is malaria vaccine, R21 vaccine, was introduced with improved protection.
We're talking about development of malaria vaccines. First, the pre-erythrocytic stage. This is the stage before the malaria parasite enters the red blood cell. Here's what the vaccine does. The vaccine helps the body immune system to destroy the parasites before it reaches the blood. Second, use of recombinant DNA biotechnology. The malaria parasite genes is isolated and inserted into another organism, example yeast, and used to produce parasite proteins in large production artificially for the production of vaccines. Third, the target antigen, which is the circumsporozoite protein, CSP, is the protein found on the surface of malaria sporozoite, which is important for the entry into the liver cells. Here's what the vaccine does. The vaccine stimulates the body antibodies to fight against the CSP, hence stopping the evasion of the liver cells. Here's an interesting thing. We have two major malaria vaccines approved by the WHO. We have the RTSS-AS01 and the R21 matrix M. The RTSS-AS01, also known as Mosquirix, was the first malaria vaccine approved by WHO. It contains a part of CSP from Plasmodium falciparum and hepatitis B surface antigen. The AS01 is the adjuvant system that helps improve the immune response of the body and makes the vaccine more effective. The vaccine helps the body to produce anti-CSP antibodies and cellular immune response.
The clinical trial that was done on the RTSS-AS01 was started between the year 2009 and 2014. It was a phase 3 trial done in 7 African countries, which includes Burkina Faso, Kenya, Malawi, Mozambique, etc. It was done in children between the ages of 5 to 17 months. Its effectiveness reduced malaria cases by 39 to 51% and reduced severe malaria by 30 to 32%. In highly seasonal malaria regions, its effectiveness reached 72 to 75%. A real-world pilot program was started between the year 2019 to 2023 in Ghana, Kenya, and Malawi, and it reduced mortality rate in children by 13%. The R21 matrix M vaccine underwent 2 clinical trials. The first, which is the phase 2 trial, which was done in Burkina Faso, it had an effectiveness of 71 to 77% efficacy, and that was in over 12 months, depending on the dosage. The phase 3 trial was started in 2019 in Burkina Faso, Kenya, Tanzania, and Malawi, and it had a 66% effectiveness in year-round malaria areas and a 75% effectiveness in seasonal malaria regions.
The target population for this malaria vaccine are usually the infants and young children ranging from ages of 5 months to 5 years. And the target regions for this malaria vaccine are the sub-Saharan Africa, and the major countries or the countries that have the highest burden of this malaria are Kenya, Nigeria, Ghana, and Malawi. While the vaccines are effective in the treatment of malaria or in combating malaria, it is very important to note that they should be used in collaboration with other techniques such as using mosquito nets, quality environmental control, and ensuring that the children are taken to the hospital or are treated immediately after symptoms are being noticed.